I am gonna go for a lucky cat on a pillow. Which color do you like? I think I like the green.
red.
So we both agreed green.
No, I said red.
Oh, and maybe, just maybe, I can work it towards the shoot a little bit. I mean, technically that was towards the shoot a little bit. Excuse me?
That red cat one has personality.
Yeah. Lazy, sleepy, fun. Yeah, there we go. I got a little lucky cat on a pillow. Is the pillow lucky too?
No.
I certainly hope so.